everybody. Today we'll be unboxing Versace Eau Fraîche. Like the box, it's kind of like waves almost. Here's what it looks like. I think this also kind of fits the theme of the waves. Versace Eros. Okay. It's a nice scent. Kind of smells like star fruit. Getting the scent of, what else? That lower scent, we have pepper. It's a really nice smelling cologne. I would definitely recommend it. And for its price, it is also really good. $34. Well, at my TJ Maxx, local TJ Maxx, it was $34. I would definitely recommend it. Hope you guys have a good day. I'm out.